Big up, bless up, hail massive, all day, every day. Today we're going to talk about the 3 ways to make legal money. Practically everyone on earth makes legal money one of 3 ways. If you ever come across money-making opportunities that say make money fast, quick money, fast money, or get rich quick schemes, more than likely it's a scam and you should just avoid it. The only way to make money that's worth your while is to do it the legal way, and that's why I'm sharing these 3 simple ways with you today. So, before I get into the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you're alerted each time I post a video so you can learn how to make a little extra cash for your pocket. Tip 1. Work for someone. You can earn money by working as an employee. This is one of the most common ways to accumulate wealth in life through earnings or salary payments. When you work, you are exchanging your time for money. That's why it's important and most fulfilling if you are working a job that you enjoy. High-earning professionals such as doctors and lawyers are all in the same boat. As an employee, you can either increase your earnings by 1. Getting a promotion, 2. Switching to a higher-paying job, 3. Increase your labor hours, or 4. Learning a new skill. Job search websites are one of the most popular ways to find employment. Websites like Indeed, ZipRecruiter, Simply Hired, and Caribbean Jobs have made it easier than ever to find a job by allowing you to be specific about what you are looking for in a job. Tip 2. Someone works for you. The second common method to make money is by starting a business that sells services or sells physical or digital products. Making money from a business is a dream for many people. It can be a way to make a living and provide for your family. In order to make money from your traditional or online business, it needs to be profitable. There must be a demand for your service or product. You must identify the market that will engage in the sale. You also need to ensure that you have enough capital or savings that can cover any expenses associated with starting and running the business. As a business owner, the amount of money you make is not directly proportional to the amount of time you put into it. Tip 3. Work for no one. The third common method to make money is owning assets that can help you make money. I am talking about income-generating assets. For example, you can earn money from rental income by owning a home or leasing a vehicle, interest income from investing in bonds, dividend income from stocks, or earning royalties off your music. Cash savings may also be considered an asset. However, just leaving it in your bank account will not generate much interest. But savings help you avoid the temptation to spend it on things that you don't need. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please ensure to hit that subscribe button for more videos where we talk about financial literacy, making money online, money management, becoming financially free. I'm Mr. MT from Make Real Money Tips. I'm out.